In this video, you're going to learn why Bitcoin got dropped yesterday so much, how you could predict such drops in the future. In the second part of this video, I will show you 3 approaches how you can find bottom of Bitcoin and open a trade before massive new bull cycle. Before we start, subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I promise you I'll help you make money in crypto. I'll teach you how to predict movements of Bitcoin, help us build our community. Thank you. That's why, as I told you, first part of a video about why Bitcoin get dropped. Second, what should we do right now? Watch till the end. Let's do first part, why Bitcoin get dropped yesterday so much. First, my friends, I would like to share with you important stuff, important indicator that show to us that potential drop is going to happen. Take a look yesterday. In our community, I sent that massive volume in a footprint of Bitcoin appears exactly at high 43,000, 43,500. How do we use that volume? Take a look on this massive volume. Write in the comments, do you know how to read footprint volume of Bitcoin? And if you would like me to record a video, also tell me this. I'll do it in the future. What does it mean for us? Why it's so important? It shows to us that, imagine, during this small rise on Bitcoin, at trend line, at high of trend line, someone sold insane amount of Bitcoins. Why it's so important? Because it shows to us that Bitcoin weak and some people selling. It is not good for rise. That's it. If after some pullback exactly at high, someone selling insane amount of Bitcoins, it is a signal that a huge possibility Bitcoin is going to drop. How we can predict such things in the future, all of us. First, I recommend you to be part of our community, because I always, when I see such important updates, I share it with community, and those of you that understand how to use it, you can open good trades, because there are some people in our community that made good trades with such volume. Also, take a look, my friends, on the TradingView, I recorded few ideas yesterday about that Bitcoin is going to drop. But you can read all these comments, and believe me, so many people told me that I am mad. And honestly, we expected such drop of Bitcoin. But what's the biggest problem? That honestly, I want to be honest with you. I sent my trade to community yesterday that I took short, but that trap up hit my stop loss, and I share it with community where I took stop loss and take profits. That's it. What do we do right now? What is our plan right now? First, our plan, we wait for a clear pattern at this moment where we can take a trade on Bitcoin. And I'm going to share with you 3 approaches how you can find bottom of Bitcoin. These approaches, they would be good for traders, because I know that they're here, this video watch part of people, you are holders. By the way, write in the comments, are you holder or you are trader? Because for holders, DCA always the best, and just buy part of Bitcoin with such discounts. That's it. Bitcoin drops, you buy. Bitcoin rise, you buy every month when you have income. For traders, we have special lessons that I recommend all of you to watch. How to find bottom of Bitcoin. There are article, and there are also lesson on YouTube. Watch what's better for you. First approach, how we can find bottom of Bitcoin. It is after massive liquidations. What does liquidation means for us? It means that people that bought Bitcoin at higher prices, they forced to sell their Bitcoins. Why do they force to sell? Because exchanges, when you buy Bitcoin, for example, with double leverage, that means if price drops by 50%, all your entire account is gone. And exchange automatically sell your position. Imagine you bought Bitcoin like here at 10,000, Bitcoin drops to 5,000, and exchange say, okay, man, give us additional money or we sell your position. And it happens really fast. You cannot give additional money, and they sell automatically your position. And I think you understand you are not alone, and such people in the world could be thousands of people, and that's the reason why such drops happens. But for us, it is the best time to buy, because after massive drop, insane discount, big guys, institutional investors use that as an opportunity to buy much cheaper with massive discount. That's why what would be for us right now, what would be our plan right now? If Bitcoin would do additional drop and there would be massive liquidations, it would be a signal to buy it. Let's do a deal. If something like that happens, I promise to you that I'll share free notification to you in our public Telegram channel. Open any video on our YouTube channel, you'll find such link here, free Telegram channel. Push on this link and subscribe, you will get such updates directly in your phone. Second approach, how you can find bottom of Bitcoin. Second approach, it is Bitcoin drops and create a massive range like on this example. Why is this approach a little bit different? What's the difference? Here, take a look on this massive volume. How do you read this volume? It shows to us horizontal volume. It is a place where a lot of Bitcoins were traded. Why it's so important for us? Because big guys use such volume as an opportunity to buy. You always should ask yourself why price of Bitcoin should rise. Who will pay for that show? And how it works. For institutional investors, they cannot buy a lot of Bitcoins at one moment because price would move. Like yesterday, someone sold a lot, price dropped. They buy every day by parts, and for them, it could take few months to accumulate position. And that's how they do it. There could be a massive range. How it would look on a chart right now. If Bitcoin, for example, drops, after that it creates big range for 3-4 months. After breakout of that range, for us, it would be best opportunity to take long. And the third approach, my friends, it is a trend line breakup pattern. Take a look here. Trend line breakup pattern. If, do you see, real low, and biggest volume exactly at bottom. If something like that appears on Bitcoin, take a look, let's do me example. If something like that appears on Bitcoin, create real low, trend line, and in that moment volume increase dramatically, we take trend line breakup. It is top free approach. Write in the comments, was this free approach is useful for you? Should I record some additional lessons? If you have idea, share it in the comments. What do we do right now, my friends? At this moment, I recommend you to wait. And at this moment, I recommend you to be in our public Telegram channel, because I promise to you, if one of these free approaches appears on horizon, I'll share it with you. Before we wait, while we wait, watch this lesson, how to find bottom of Bitcoin, and open our YouTube channel. You will find this whole playlist about breakout strategy. Take a look. Watch all of these lessons about breakout strategy, because even trend line breakup, you should understand how to use it in a trading. Thanks for watching. See you.